I have a Honda Black Max lawn mower that won't start. If you spray the car orator, it turns over but won't stay running. The air filter is new, gas is new, oil is level. Fuel flows from tank to shut off and from shut off to carb.
Hello, and thank you for choosing JustAnswer. I'll be helping you today and am committed to providing clear and concise answers to your question. Your main jet is probably clogged along with one or all three of the transition holes in the venturi. Remove the carburetor, then remove the bowl. Inside the center leg of the carburetor where the bowl nut was screwed into is your main jet. Unscrew it with a flat blade screwdriver just smaller than the bowl nut threads, being careful not to damage it. Clean it with carburetor cleaner and wire to be sure the passages are clean. Then, looking in the venturi, throat, of the carburetor from the throttle side, you will see a nozzle that can be pushed down with your screwdriver as well to pop it out the same hole the jet was in. This nozzle has some small holes on the side. One or more may be clogged as well. You can also use the wire and carburetor cleaner here, making sure the holes in middle section are completely clear. Reassemble and test. If it proves to be a dirty carburetor and this doesn't fix it, you're unfortunately most likely looking at a new carburetor. Hope this helps. If you need more information, please stop and reply to me via the Reply to Expert link in the lower right corner of the ratings box with any issue or remaining question you may have. My reputation as an excellent expert is critical, and I will be happy to continue further and do everything I can to provide you with the best service possible. Your highest rating is my primary goal because that means I've given you the top quality service you deserve. Thank you so much.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.